Hi, this is Sierra, and this video is going to be on images and text in the Flow editor. So right now we're just working with our global life expectancy dataset that's part of our Flow library, and we just have a couple of steps here with a swarm and a few different perspectives of this life expectancy dataset. But I've just been using this in other tutorials to showcase off different settings that we have and functionality. So I'm going to go ahead and add a blank step, which is going to be our new title page. I'm going to go ahead and also reset the camera so that way it aligns me to the direct center of where we're supposed to be looking at. We're in AR space, so everything's oriented the right way. I use that reset camera button a good amount. So now I'm going to add some text, and in that text I'm just going to say global life expectancy. Alright, and there's a variety of fonts that you can use. You can change the size and the color. These 3D arrows are really great for positioning things. The green arrow goes in the vertical direction, the red arrow goes right to left, horizontal direction, and then if you rotate you can see there's a blue arrow that goes in the depth, in the Z direction. So there's also this middle point where you can click on that and just then drag it wherever you'd like. I'm gonna put it back where it was. And if you ever get really out of whack where your text is now super far away, you can just go over here to the positioning and hit these buttons and it'll recenter it for you. So I'm gonna actually make that font a bit bigger, make it higher up. Awesome. And you can also wrap the text by number of characters or width. So if I do this wrap value to 20, it's at 20 characters, it's gonna cut me off and then enter into the next line. So I'm gonna put that back for now. You can choose the alignment and you can choose whether or not the object faces the camera. So I'm going to turn that on and just show you what that looks like. So now it's always facing me no matter which way I look, which can be very nice sometimes, especially when you are in augmented or virtual reality. So similar to maps, this animate between steps positioning works if you'd like to have two different steps and the same text but in two different positions. You're gonna have to toggle that button on, but I'm gonna just keep this on one step for now, and that looks good. So now I'm gonna add an image, and I'm just gonna input our Flow logo right now, and that should load. Great, cool. And then if I just zoom in a little, set the camera. You can also, for images, change the size and have it face camera. And then the same thing with animate between steps. So hopefully that gave you a little bit more information on steps, I'm sorry, not steps, on images and animating between steps and text, and as well as manipulating objects in 3D space. So thanks.